Enjoy the urban vibe of this fantastic unit in the center of the Neon District, just steps to bakeries, restaurants, art and glass studios, and theater. Patterned terrazzo flooring in the main areas accentuates the artistic feel, lots windows and light. Kitchen west/bar and center island open to dining and living areas. Great for entertaining. Large laundry room for storage. Good-sized bedrooms, one west/ensuite bath. Amazing rooftop deck west/panoramic city views and kitchenette for entertaining. Garage pking and secured entrance and call box.